Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Painting Hyun. In today's video, we are going to be painting a Christmas card again. We painted this one. We'll paint Christmas ornament today, and this bird, we did it last winter. I sketched it in advance. I'm going to use red and viridian and also use blue. You can use any beautiful colors, okay? I will link this video in description box below. I traced a small cosmetic lid for this and slightly larger one for this. So to start coloring, I applied water first and then now I'm applying a light red to the center of the ornament. Wow, look at this. This paper, wow, so beautiful. That area is damp. So that's why the colors are spreading very quickly. Okay. Now I'm adding a slightly thicker red in the center using some dots here and there. And let's go over to next one, but I will be back here for some detailing later on. I'm going to wet the paper and I'd like to paint this with a light red because the previous ornament had a thicker color, thicker red. So I'm going to try a little bit lighter red. And also adding some dots here and there. And for the next one, we are going to paint it in some kind of a greenish color. So I will use Viridian. So you can choose any colors you like, okay? I'm adding a little bit darker greenish color. Actually, I want to make it slightly lighter, so I'm adding dots now on the center of the ornament. However, it's not working yet. The reason is the paper is still damp. Back to this red ornament, for I'm adding some white for highlight. But still this ornament paper area is still damp, so it's not working too. Okay, I'm going to add some later on again. I'm drawing a branch using a mixture of burnt sienna and viridian. Draw thin branches here and there. While drawing, think about the composition. Okay, let's draw branches in various direction and thickness. Change your change or variation is a very important composement in painting. So if you give it a try, it will enhance your painting. I'm touching more branches, and also I'm adding the thicker brown on the branches and draw hollies and the bellies more. Here are many small and cute ornaments here. So I'm going to try different color and then I'm get some dark bluish color and put on the ornament. So using that. I'm trying again the white color put on the center of the ornament and then also for now we are going to draw a heart made of glass using a soft green and red. Small tiny glass here. And I'm going to paint a blue for this. You can choose yellow or pink, any colors you like. Get some little bit darker color put on the center of the ornament. Now I'm adding a bit thicker bluish color on there, but the red ornament area is still damp, so the colors bleed. So we're gonna fix it later. What I'm doing now, drawing strings using almost black or black dark red. So with very thin lines. Hmm. I made a small dirty mark here because I added the blue before the red color dried. But we can fix it. Fixing is one of the skill. So with a paper towel and then draw it clearly again using the brush with the least amount of water. Okay. Next, I'm going to add some lines here and there, and then my balls looks a bit plain. So I'm going to draw a thick band for this. What do you think? Is that better? If you have any idea, feel free to add for them. Okay. Let's try making this ball look like it's moving. And then I'm trying to draw some patterns on the ball. So yeah, anyway, I want to get a little better ornament and better painting. So I will try curve the lines around the right and left side of the ball with the very thin lines. It's time to move on and write the lettering Merry Christmas. I'm writing with a small brush, which is a bit difficult. If you find it hard to, like me, you can also try using an ink pen or ink brush. Lastly, I wanted some dot with red color. Okay, and splash with red on the top of the paper. And tied up the painting here and there. And draw some thin lines around the ball. Okay, our painting is complete. Did you have fun today? I hope you had a good time with this. And I will link a few Christmas videos in the description box below. And if you are here for the first time, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave some comment. Thank you for watching and see